Okay, so this is my Fuji Sunfire bike, and I just wanted to do a little bike check. I've got a Shimano 100 GS in the back, works pretty great. It's an older bike, and a 70 GS in the front. For tires, I'm running Aerosun Mount Adams 26x2 that I got from a local bike shop. Got shifters, leverage, and on the brakes, they're called Diacom-P, it looks like. That's what it says anyways. It's a pretty nice bike. I'm not sure what year it is, but hopefully there'll be a new bike day soon. Tell me what you in comments what you think about this video.